Wow, you did it. Almost 200 subscribers in over a month. I'm so excited for you to join me on this YouTube channel journey. So I want to ask you something. What would you do with 5,000 Robux? Before I go any further, if you're watching this video and have not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button now. Because what I am about to say will allow you to win free Robux. That's right, I will give a free Robux digital gift card to 4 Bougie Dragon YouTube channel subscribers. So how do you win?
Easy.
First, make sure that you subscribe to the Bougie Dragon channel. Next, join the Bougie Dragon fan club in Roblox. And that's it. If you do those two things, you will have the opportunity to win free Robux in the form of gift cards. Also, if you want to earn more drawing opportunities, here's what you need to do. You will get 1 bonus entry for each subscriber you recruit, but only if they subscribe and only if you drop their name in the comments. To get credit for the recruited subscribers, tag their YouTube name in the comments below. For example, @BougieDragon. You may also recruit friends, family, co-workers, acquaintances, strangers, anyone, but you must tag them for the additional drawing, and the tagged person must subscribe to the Bougie Dragon channel. I also encourage you to follow Bougie Dragon on TikTok, Twitch TV, Facebook, and Instagram. And that's it. That's how you earn many chances to increase your odds of winning free Robux. For this giveaway, I'll be giving out 5,000 Robux in total, with the grand prize winner winning 2,000 Robux. For legal reasons, entrants must be over the age of 18 and live in the United States or its territories. Sorry, Canada. Also, this giveaway has no affiliation with YouTube or Roblox. This is just me wanting to make your day better. I will coordinate with winners to send them their digital Robux gift cards through YouTube and email, but only if they respond within 7 days of winning. If they do not reply, it will go to the next person. Winners will be selected on October 1st, 2022 at 1900 Eastern Time and notified through YouTube. And the legal stuff. Official rules. No purchase is necessary to enter or win a prize. A purchase will not increase your chances of winning void and we are prohibited. The entry period for Roblox Gift Card Giveaway Sweepstakes begins September 14, 2022, 1200 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and ends at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time on October 1st, 2022. The Sweepstakes Period. All federal, state, provincial, and local laws and regulations apply. Eligibility. The Sweepstakes is open to individuals who meet the following criteria. A. Are 18 years of age or older. And B. Are legal residents and physically residing in the United States, excluding Rhode Island, Puerto Rico, Guam, American Samoa, United States territories, possessions, and protectorates, foreign-based United States military installations, and wherever prohibited by law. Entrants neither sponsor nor employee sponsor, and all their respective parent companies, divisions, subsidiaries, affiliates, and their respective officers, directors, employees, agents, independent contractors, representatives, and agencies. Collectively, sponsored entities are eligible to participate in sweepstakes and win prize as defined below. Additionally, immediate family members and such employees and persons living in the same household as such as employees, whether related or not, are not eligible to win. For the purpose of the sweepstakes, immediate family members as defined as spouse, domestic partner, mother, father, grandmother, children, twins, and their spouses. By entering the sweepstakes, the entrant agrees to be bound by these official rules and decisions of the sponsor, which are final and binding respects, cannot be challenged or appealed. How to enter. In order to enter the sweepstakes, the entrant must subscribe to the YouTube channel only. 10 entries per person. If multiple entries are received, only the first 10 entries will be considered. Subsequent entries will be disqualified. Entries received after the sweepstakes period will be void. All entries become the sole property of the sponsor will not be acknowledged or returned to the sponsor's computer. It will serve as the official practice for sweepstakes. Odds of winning are based upon the number of entries. Prize. A $25, $10, $10 gift card certificate to Roblox.com. Prize drawing. 3 winners and 1 grand prize winner will be chosen at random October 1st, 2022. Winner will be notified on YouTube if they win. If the winner does not claim the prize within 7 days of being notified, a new winner may be selected and notified. Sponsors are not responsible for incorrect or inaccurate information, whether caused by tampering, hacking, or the equipment or programming associated with the sweepstakes. Prize cannot be substituted, assigned, transferred by winner. Sponsors have the right to disqualify entrants who fail to follow the official rules, who make misrepresentation, will to the sweepstakes and redemption of a prize. Tax issues. The prize winner is responsible solely for reporting and payments any of all federal, state, provincial, and local laws and will at any other cost and expense associated with the acceptance of the use of the prize not specified herein as being awarded. No warranties. All prizes are provided as is and with all faults. Sponsor entities make no warranties expressed or implied in fact or in law relative to the use and enjoyment of any prize or any portion thereof, including without limitation its quality, virtuality, or fitness of a particular purchase. Any and all warranties for a prize and any portion thereof are contained in the manufacturer or service provider's warranties as relevant. Entrants agree that sponsor entity shall not be liable for losses or injuries of any kind resulting from acceptance, possession, and or use or misuse of any prize, participation in sweepstakes, or any technical malfunctions of any network, computer, equipment, hardware, software, or any combination thereof, and any entries that are late, incomplete, lost, corrupted, or otherwise not in compliance with the official rules. Entrants also agree that the sponsor entities are not responsible or liable for any injury or damage of the entrance or third person's computer related in the resulting of the sweepstakes and the prize. The sponsor entities are not liable for any damages to the user's computer system or any way due to the entrant's participation in the sweepstakes or downloading any information in connection with the sweepstakes, including without limitation server failure, loss or delayed corrupted data, or other malfunction. The sponsor entities reserve this right to modify or cancel the sweepstakes in the event that it becomes technically corrupted. Additional disclaimer: the sweepstakes is knowingly sponsored, endorsed, administered, or YouTube, Meta, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch TV, TikTok, or Roblox. Disputes, choice of law. Except where prohibited, each entrant agrees that 1. Any and all disputes, claims, and causes of action rising out or connected with the sweepstakes or any prize award shall be resolved individually without resort to any form of class action, and exclusively by the state and federal courts located in Atlanta, Georgia. Any and all claims, judgments, and awards shall be limited to actual out-of-pocket costs incurred, including costs associated with entering the sweepstakes, but no event attorney's fees. And under no circumstances will entrants be permitted to obtain awards for, and entrants hereby waive all right to claim indirect, punitive, incidental, and consequential damages, and any other damages other than for actual out-of-pocket expenses, and any and all rights to have damages multiplied or otherwise increased. All issues and questions concerning the construction, validity, interpretation, and enforceability of these official rules, or the rights and obligations of the entrant or the sponsor entities in connection with the sweepstakes shall be governed by and construed in accordance with substantive laws in the state of Georgia, without regard for choice of law rules. Oh yeah, and one more thing. If we get to 1,000 subscribers before October 1st, I'll double the prize, and I'll double the winners. Bougie out.